Hello children, how are you? How are you today? I am good, I am well. What about you? Hello kids, welcome to savitaphawadeacademy. This is our science lecture. EVS 2015 edition this one. New Science in Everyday Life, Class 4, cbse board. Kids, today we start new chapter clothes. Kids, we wear different type clothes, depend on situation, depend on season. Who can tell me main season? Yes, all of you very talented. Summer, winter, rainy season. Now rainy season going on. Third one our chapter. Today we learn. We on page number 36 and our chapter name clothes we wear. From this one chapter we learn need for clothes. Why we need for clothes? Okay, today we learn fibers and fabrics, type of clothes. Okay, care of clothes. Yes, care of clothes, very important, caring. Food, shelter and clothing are our basic needs. Each our basic needs, three main needs. Okay, basic needs, food, shelter and clothing are our basic needs. Clothes are made of a material that suit the weather of a place. Okay, people wear different types of clothes. Name the following clothes. Color those that you would wear in winter. Okay, you can see different type of clothes. Textbook given on page number 36 and saying write down. Okay, see, first one you can see this one a shirt, shirt we write down. This one a belt, blt. This one a frock, frock, frock. And this one a socks, socks, socks. This one also frock. Okay, sleeveless frocks. And this one a sleeve, this one a frock. Okay, see, this one a sleeveless frock. This one a shoe, one shoe. This one a pant, pant. And this one a sweater. Okay, in a winter season we wear. Okay, and this type of sleeveless frock when we wear in a summer. Okay, and this type in a winter or in rainy. Okay, this type hat when we wear in a hot summer's day, means in a summer. Okay, cap, cap, skirt. Okay, and this one a jacket when we wear in a rainy day or in a winter season. Okay, kids, now we are on page number 37. See please here, please pay attention. Need for a clothes. First one our topic. Kids, we wear different clothes at a different times of the day. Yes, school time, morning time, bedtime. That time we wear different type clothes. Okay, we wear our uniform to school. Okay, in school we wear uniform. Each and every school's uniform different. Loose comfortable clothes at home. At home when we wear clothes comfortable. Okay, and loose. And at a night suit when we go to bed at a night we wear loose suit. Okay, see here in this box, let's discuss textbook given for us. Discuss the different types of clothes that we wear on a different occasions. In Diwali, in Dashera, okay, in Holi, how we wear clothes? In Holi, white. Okay, then when we play colors, then it's looking colorful. Okay, and in a rainy day we wear raincoats. Okay, and in winter we wear woolen sweaters. Okay, and in a summer's day we wear cotton cloths. See, at home this type clothes we wear, comfortable at bed, loose bed suit we wear, and school when we going school uniform we wear. Okay, different clothes one wears at a different times of the day. Okay, then we wear different clothes during different seasons. For example, we wear night color clothes made from cotton or a linen in a summer. Linen means what? A fiber that is obtained from the stem of the flax plant. It's a stretchable. We wear a dark colored cloth made from wool in a winter. Okay, and third one, we wear a raincoats made from a waterproof materials such as a plastic or a rubber during a rainy day. You can see here, this is a frog and going school and saying I am wearing my summer school uniform, and you can see raincoats, papa and boy wearing. Okay, this one kids. Raincoats protect us from rain. Now rainy day going, so we all use raincoats and umbrellas. Now page number 38. Okay, see here, we wear clothes for the following reasons. Which reasons we wear clothes? Cotton cloths protect us from the heat of the sun and help to keep us cool, so we wear cotton. And raincoat protects us from rain and help to keep us dry, so we wear raincoat. And woolens protect us from cold and help to keep us warm, so in a winter season we wear woolens. Wearing full sleeve cloths can protect us from insect bites. Okay, so we wear full sleeves, frocks, shirts. Okay, let's remember textbook given here, few questions. Write yes for summer, W for winter, and R for rainy season. To sort when you will wear each of the following clothes. First one, light color cloths. In a summer we wear a raincoat, rainy day. Cloths made of linen. In summer we wear cloths made of wool. In winter we wear dark color cloths we wear in winter. Cloths made of rubber in a rainy day, raincoat. For example, cloths made of cotton we wear in summers. Okay, next our topic is fibers and fabrics. Okay, all clothes are made from fabrics. If we look closely at any fabric, we can see that it is made up of many thin threads. These thin threads are called yarn. Okay, weaving or knitting yarns together form a fabric. Each yarn is further made up of many long and very thin strands called fibers. Okay, fibers may be natural or human made also. Weaving means what? A method in which cloth is made by a two thread crisscrossing together. That one weaving. And knitting means what? Knit. A method by which a single yarn is twisted into a series of loops to make a cloth. Okay, when at homemade we stitch, okay, torn cloth. Then next our topic is, we on page number 39, natural fibers. Natural fibers obtained from either plants or animals. We get cotton, linen from plants, and wool and silk from animals. For example, you can see this one a frock, this one trousers, and this type of shirt, cotton cloths. Okay, one fact file EVS textbook give us here. People in India have been making fabrics by weaving them on a handlooms for the past 2000 years. Yes, we all know Bapuji, Mahatma Gandhi using khadi. Okay, making own cloth. Okay, next one, synthetic fibers. Fibers that are not found naturally and are made by humans are called synthetic or human made fibers. For examples are nylon and polyester. Nylon and polyester. Most fabrics made from synthetic fibers are strong and can last long. Okay, fiber and synthetic, nylon, polyester. Okay, they means we use polyester and nylon long year. Okay, 2-3 year one cloth, minimum 1 year we use. Most fabric made from synthetic fibers are strong and can last long. They are stretchable. So when we do exercise yoga, we always use, okay, nylon, polyesters, okay, because it's stretchable. For example, swimming suits also, this type swimming trunks, and raincoat also stretchable. With our school bag, we always wear a raincoat inside our school bag. We wear first our school bag, then our raincoat. It's stretchable. Then there are stretchable, lightweight, wrinkle free. Yes, and polyester and nylon are wrinkle free. It's didn't want iron. Okay, it's a wrinkle free. They are stretchable. So when swimming or exercise yoga, we always use that type cloths. Okay, lightweight, also wrinkle free, and can be waterproof. For example, a raincoat. Okay, next one, last one, our topic is a caring of our clothes. We need to look after our clothes for good condition. Okay, clothes should be washed well with a good soap or a detergent to remove all the sweat, dirt and stains. Now turn your page number 40. Okay, woolen and silk cloths need a lot of care because they are easily attacked by a small insect such as a moth and a silverfish. So when you store woolen and silk cloths, you should keep mothballs or a dried neem leaves along with them. Okay, these keep the insects away, so always use. Then woolen coats and trousers should be dry clean. They may get damaged by a plain washing. When if we wash a plain, it may be damaged because all we making from a ship our their skin locker. We using woolen cloths for sheep wool. Okay, so don't wash always a plain, make a dry clean. Okay, kids, now let's remember, means here our this one nice lesson finish, and I hope all you understood which type cloths and when we which type cloths in which season we wear and why we wear that type cloths. Okay, let's remember question answer. Sort the following into natural or synthetic fibers: cotton, this one natural; linen, natural; nylon, this one is synthetic; silk, natural; and polyester, this one synthetic; and wool, this one natural. Circle things that are good for taking care of a cloth: mothballs and dried neem leaves. Keywords and a summary, very important because of good question answer. We write down easily, so by it write down 3 times. Okay, keywords and a summary. Natural fibers. What is a natural fibers? Here is a in a keywords, inside here is answer. Fibers that are obtained from either plants or animals are called natural fibers. Synthetic fibers. What is a synthetic fibers? Synthetic fibers means that are not found naturally and made by humans are called synthetic fibers. Summary is very important. Whole chapters depend on summary. Okay, cloths protect us from sun, rain, cold and insect bites. Okay, So we wear always a cloth. Okay, the kind of clothes we wear depend on the weather of the place. Clothes are made from natural as well as synthetic fibers. We should store silk and woolen cloths with a mothballs or a dried neem leaves. Very important. Now turn. Here is a time to exercise. Let's understand. First one question, objective type questions. First one A, fill in the blanks with the correct words. First one A, first one number. We wear a dash dash. Means the same or a different type of clothes in different seasons. Different. Okay. We wear dash dash colored clothes in the winter. Dark color. Dash dash help us to stay dry during rains. Raincoats. Fourth one, fabric is made of many thin threads called yarns. And fifth one, dash fibers are stretchable and can be waterproof, synthetic. Now B1. Okay, question. Write T for the true and F for the false statement. All clothes are made from the same material. False. We wear dark colored cotton cloths in winter. False. Wearing full sleeved clothes can protect us from an insect bite. Yes, true. Yarn are made up of fabric. False. Woolen and silk cloths need a lot of care. Yes, true. C1. Choose the correct option. Which of these clothes would you wear at home? C. First one. Which of these clothes would you wear at home? Comfortable clothes. Okay, means this one. C1 is the correct. So write down this one. Second one. Which of these would you wear to stay dry during rains? Which one? Waterproof cloth. So C1 correct. Third one, which of these fibers are used to make cloths worn in summer? Which one? Cotton and linen. Okay, this one D1 is correct. Then fourth one, which of these process is used to make a fabric? Weaving and knitting, fabrics and fibers, yarn and fibers, all of this. Yes. Which one? This one? Yes, all of this one. Okay. Now next one page number 42. Which of these are natural fibers? Natural fibers, cotton and jute. Yes, linen, wool and silk, all of this. See, this which of these are natural fibers? Natural fibers. See, fibers that are obtained either plants or animal are called natural fibers. Means which one? Natural fibers. Yes, here is a cotton and jute. Yes, linen, wool and silk. Means all of this. Okay. Then sixth one. Which of these would be the best way to clean woolen coats? Dry cleaning. Means this one B1 correct. Seventh one. Which of these is a NOT? True about synthetic fibers. They are human made fibers. They are more long lasting than natural fibers. They can be made stretchable and wrinkle free. None of this. This one and none of this is correct. Eighth one. Which of these attack woolen cloths if they are not stored properly? Moth and silverfish. Okay, this one is correct. Then next one, second one, very short answer type question. Give two examples for each of the following. Natural fiber worn in the summer, cotton, linen, you write down, or you write down wool and silk also, cotton and jute also. Then material used to make a raincoat, rubber and plastic. Plant fibers, cotton and jute. Animal fibers, wool and silk. Synthetic fibers, nylon and polyester, you write down. Insects that attack cloth, moth and a silver fish. Then next one question, answer the following questions. Why do we need cloths? We can search this one question. Why do we need cloths? Actually we all know why we wear clothes. Because of cloth protect us and it's a basic need. Cloth protect us from insect bite, sun and heat in a winter season, summer season, rainy season. Cloth protects our body. Okay. Then next one question. What kind of clothes do we wear in a summer? In a summer, yes, let's come. We search our answer. See, we wear light color cloths made from cotton or linen in summer. Okay, this is our answer. Then next one question is, what kind of clothes keep us warm in a winter? Woolen. Okay. Dark color cloth, woolen cloths. We search our answer. You can see here, woolen protects us from cold and help to keep us warm. Okay. And see here, dark color cloths in winter. And here means question we read again. What kind of clothes keep us warm in winter? Dark and woolen clothes. Next photo, what are fibers? Name the two main types of fiber. What are fibers? Fibers. Here. Natural fibers. Okay. First, we always search our answer. See, cloths are made from natural as well as synthetic fibers. And what is the fibers? Our question is, what are fibers? Name the two main types of fibers. See, here is our answer inside fibers and fabrics topic. Cloths are made from the thin threads called yarn, and each yarn is further made up of very long and thin strand thread called fibers. See, all cloths are made from fibers. If we look closely at any fibers, we can see that it is made up of many thin threads. Okay, and thin threads are called yarns. Okay, weaving or knitting yarns together forms of a fabric. Each yarn is further made up of many long and very thin strands called fibers. Okay, here is our answer. And type of fibers, natural fibers. See here, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Okay, and natural fibers, this one cotton and linen, and synthetic means raincoat. Synthetic means this one human made, so nylon and polyester. Okay, then next one, our question, which one? Fifth one, what are a synthetic fiber? Name any three special feature of a synthetic fiber. What are synthetic fibers? See, here is a synthetic fibers. You can write down this one definition. So fibers that are not found naturally and are made by human are called synthetic fibers. And ahead our question saying, name any three special feature of a synthetic fibers. Okay, synthetic fiber features. See, synthetic fibers, it's a man made, and for example this one we write down nylon and polyester. And synthetic fiber strong. First one feature, it's synthetic fiber strong and can last long. Okay, we use minimum 2-3 years. Okay, and synthetic fibers are stretchable, synthetic fibers are lightweight and wrinkle free, didn't need iron. Okay, and synthetic fiber are waterproof. Fifth, six features here, but 2-3 sufficient, you write down. Okay, then next, sixth one question is, give any 3 ways in which we can take care of a cloth. Give any 3 ways in which we can take care of a cloth. Take care of cloth, last one topic is see care of a cloth, and here is a you write down way. Okay, see 3 ways here. Cloth should be washed well with a good soap or a detergent to remove all the sweat, dirt and stains. This one first one. Okay, and second one, woolen and silk cloths need a lot of care because they are easily attacked by a small insects such as moth and a silverfish. So always we use a mothball and a neem leaves, dry neem leaves. Okay, because of insects. Okay, and third one, woolen coats and trousers should be dry clean because it's maybe a when we wash a plain, then it's maybe a damage. This type you write down your answer, and answer searching is very easy. First understood that one question, so read this one question minimum 2 or 3 time. Okay, minimum 2 time that one question you read, then you can easily sort out, search your answer. You search in that one a specific para, specific objectives, specific that one topic, and you got easily your answer. Okay, it's very easy peasy. Now let's recall, we learn recall and complete the concept map given below. Cloths protect us from types of fibers. Here cloths protect us from sun, rain, cold and insect bite. This is our answer also. Okay, means see question is our why do we need cloths? Our answer is here, sun, rain, cold and insects, means we write down here. Okay, type of fibers, natural fibers and synthetic fibers, and example is very important in EVS science. Okay, so write down example while writing answer. Example, natural fibers wool and cotton, synthetic fibers example nylon and polyester. Very important. Here is a, let's observe, see this one a shirt, how textbook showing us like saying you draw here. Okay, then now turn page. Here is a circle, the yarn being used in the picture. How many yarns are being used here? 1, 2. Okay, green and red. Unjumble the letters to get the name of the process being used to make the fabric. TINK, knitting, KNITTING. Okay, knitting. Okay, and kids, now we stop here, and I hope it's a very easy peasy chapter and question answers also. Kids, I hope all of you like this one video, and it's very useful for you while writing question answer your EVS, your science paper. Thank you kids. In next science lecture we start fourth one chapter, and fourth one chapter is solid, gases, like maybe yes, solids, liquid and gases. Fourth one we start in next EVS lecture. Till it, bye bye kids. Thank you very much.